Kevin here. Listen, I am often asked about how do I approach playing bump music or shout music when it comes to playing in church. So I thought I would do a short clip for you demonstrating how I would play or approach playing shout music or what the young folks call the bump music. All right, so in the example you heard, I'm going to be playing in B minor, and we're going to stay right there in B minor. And what you heard me play was the B minor, like the -7 chord, okay? And then I would go, that's on the 7th fret, and I'm using the E string, the 6th string, to put over top. So you hear that B minor, -7 chord. And then I go to the 9th fret, and I play the D string, the G string, and the B string. So you're hearing that. Okay? Let me get a close-up view for you. So you see that 7th fret, I'm playing that D string, the G string, and B string, and then I'm also playing the E string, which is the 6th string, which is playing that B -7 chord. Then I'm going a whole step up using my ring finger, and I'm playing on the 9th fret, the D string, G string, and B string. So you're hearing. So you hear that movement. Okay? Now the little line in between what you're hearing is almost like a bluesy minor pentatonic scale.